Okay, so today I'm gonna unbox this, the portable monitor LCD for the PC Engine Core or PC Engine. This is made by Columbus Circle, so it's not made by NEC or anything. So it's like a knockoff version. But this is way cheaper than buying the PC Engine GT. So let's open it. Okay, so the wrapper has been removed, so we'll see what's in there. A sticker of some sort. RCA cable, USB cable, HDMI cable, an adapter, and a unit itself. It's super small, it's like a 4.3 screen. This hinges is kind of loose. So let's check it out and turn it on, see what it looks like. Okay, so I got a PC Engine Core here. And I tightened the hinges here with the true screws, but still pretty loose. See, look at that. It's got HDMI input and AV out here. Also got a 16:9 and 4:3 ratio option to change it. Okay, so let's turn it on. Okay, so I plugged it in and put in the power source on the side. And let's power her up. Okay, I'm gonna try Bonk. It's my favorite game. Oop, wrong button. I think Bonk is called PC something. Okay, I'm just gonna randomly pick a game then. Adventure Island. Turn up the volume. That's not Adventure Island. It's like Wonder Boy, right? I don't know the password. Okay, I'm gonna pick another game. Okay, I got Bonk 3 running here. A speaker can get really loud, that's not bad. Pretty clear screen. Anyway, yeah, it's not bad. Okay, I'm gonna end the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.